Hey guys, I'm doing curbside pickup with Philip and Mackenzie, our little real estate assistant today. And we are standing outside of one of our very, very favorite places down in Barrio Logan. And it is Ciccia with Chef Francesca and Chef Mario. And so we are a little bit early, but nonetheless, we wanted to give them some love today and grab some yummy food from them. So don't forget, safe curbside pickup is happening. This is Barrio Logan. All the jacaranda trees are in bloom. It's very, very pretty. It's all purple out here. Let me go show you. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna turn the camera for a second so you guys can see. See how pretty? So we are at Buena Frechetta, and they do curbside pickup. They have an online website with all of their items. So you want to definitely check them out. And as I said, I am standing out in front. We're a little bit early, just waiting for our food. Can't wait, we're super excited. Had a few little errands to run down in this neck of the woods, so we thought we'd get some food. So it's a whole new way of living, right? Anyway, hopefully I will be back on shortly with, I know Chef Mario, I can see him way in the back in the kitchen, and Chef Francesca, she's behind the counter in there. But let's see, let me just walk over there. Okay. Let's see what is going on. Oh, they're taking orders and getting ready for the evening. I'm gonna flip the camera again though, okay? I'm like 200 feet away from them. Look how pretty this is. Isn't it pretty? Yay. We love and miss you guys. Say hello, you're on Facebook Live. Tell us what you're up to.
Everything good here. We have a lot of nice customers. They keep supporting us.
Oh, that is awesome. That's good to hear.
Great.
And you're making lots of yummy stuff?
Yeah. We're making special every day. Francesca is doing the dessert part and all the kitchen and.
You guys staying happy and healthy?
Absolutely, always.
All right. Carolina, you live nearby. You need to come and visit Ciccia in Barrio Logan. I see you right there. And Beth Merritt, you live far away. But people are saying hello to you. What's the specials today? Tell us.
Special, we have many pasta.
I saw something with crab meat. Oh my God.
Melon salad, tomato salad, squid ink mafalde with shrimp and lemon ginger. A cauliflower resinette pasta with chicken mushroom.
Yum.
Fusilli, trecce, basil sedanini with a lot of seafood.
Ooh, yum.
Crab gnocchi, and a pork chop and a salmon.
Yum. Awesome. Carolina says she's going to come and get takeout.
Perfect.
And look at this. There's a really nice pizza oven here. Super awesome. A wonderful couple. We love them so much, and they're super supportive of us whenever we do any of our charity events, so we need to be supportive in turn. And the food is absolutely fantastic. What is the name of the place? I'll show you. Ciccia. See it? Did you see it, Carolina? I'm talking to you with a mask on. Okay, now I'm not wearing my mask because I'm walking far away. But did you see the name of it? I'll show you from the outside. Authentic, 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 really, really good stuff. Oh, hang on one second. I didn't mean to do that. 1 second. So, it's Ciccia. See? And it is on the main drag in Barrio Logan. And I think the address is 2233, whatever the street is. Okay? So come and check them out and tell them I sent you. If you go to their website, you can order online. And I can post it too, the name of it. All right? All right, everybody. I will go back online when I get the food to show you what we got.